Dear learners, welcome to virtual internship at Sriwin Electricals located at Sitco Industrial Estate, Salem. Video edited by Government College of Engineering, Salem. Sriwin Electricals is a HT panel manufacturing plant. HT means high tension or high voltage panels which hold circuit breakers and relays used for generating power plants and substations. In order to make the panel, we need steel plates with appropriate cuttings and bendings. In order to make this raw material for HT panel, automatic laser cutting machine is specially used in that plant. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the functionality of the laser cutting machine. Laser cutting machine used in this plant is a semi-automated nature in which the laser technology used for cutting. It means that high power laser beam is used for accurate cuttings. The first step, the detailed drawing is made with computer aided design software. After finishing the drawing is fed into the laser cutting machine in terms of the LXT file or DSM file. This is the cutting plate. It means that the raw material used for the cutting. Normally, it has two different dimensions. Usual dimension is 2500 mm into 1250 mm. Maximum can handle 3000 mm into 1500 mm steel sheets. The steel sheets have different thicknesses. According to the thickness of the steel plate, the settings has to be changed in the machine. In the machine, three-dimensional axis control is possible. X-axis, Y-axis and Z-axis control is made with a servo mechanisms. This machine can be operated either through monitor control or through jack. Jack is nothing but like a remote. Let us see the control options available with the jack control. Start, pause, try-cut, laser in are the options rarely used. The main button used here as a function button. The function button used to get the starting point. The Z-axis control is used for up and down movement. Slow, fast movement also can be made with slow and fast movement keys. There are two types of gases used in the machine. One is nitrogen N2, another one is oxygen O2. The type of gas used for either metal cutting or non-metal cutting. Oxygen gas used for the metal sheet cutting, for example, MS sheets, mild steel sheets. The nitrogen gas can be used for non-metal cutting, for example, SS, GI, aluminum, etc. The oxygen gas available with the O2 gas cylinder, in which the pressure is properly maintained. The operating pressure is 10 Pascal. Whereas in this nitrogen gas cylinder, nitrogen is available, N2 is available, in which the pressure is 20 Pascal is to be maintained. The first step, according to the type of gas used in the particular operation, the pressure has to be monitored. The pressure is monitored through blue operation. If any small adjustment is necessary, that can be done through the knob available in the gas cylinder. This is the view of the total laser cutting machine. Different sizes of MS sheets are used as an input material for this laser cutting machine. The sizes are 2.5 mm, 4 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm and 10 mm. This is a scrap materials or the wastage materials from the machines. The CAD drawing can be fed into the machine through two different modes. One, we can feed through the USB drive by using a pen drive. Other one through the Ethernet communication, which is in contact with the computer. This is the laser kit. The laser kit can be moved or operated in three different axes: x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. X-axis movement is a horizontal movement along the width of the steel sheet. Y-axis movement is along the longitudinal axis towards the length of the sheet, and z-axis are up and down movement. Laser kit delivers high power laser beam which can be used for the cutting process. During this operation, the laser head will be heated up. The proper cooling arrangement is made for the cooling purpose. Chiller machine is used for water cooling arrangement for the laser head, in which the pure water is used as the coolant. This machine sends the cooling water to the laser head, in which it extracts the heat and again it feeds to the chiller machine for cooling purpose. Exhaust fan used here for evaporating the vapors created during the cutting process, in which the laser and oxygen or nitrogen are involved. Blue light indicates the power supply availability of the machine. The laser head movement x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Z-axis movement should be done very slowly, either up or down. Laser cutting point is used as an indicator for the cutting process. It can be made into on through the shutter position in the jack control. Image of the drawing consists of the marking for the cutting or holes. This cutting makes the holes may be the round shape or the square shape, which is essential for assembling the various parts in the panel like switches, MCB, indicators, etc. This machine reduces the wastages and provides the accurate finish. With the help of the drawing, the markings can be done for the sheets. This is very much essential for the bending of the steel sheets. The major changes cannot be done in the monitor, but minor changes are possible in the drawing in the machine monitor itself. In the monitor section shows the drawing and control options. The drawing is to be fitted with laser bit. It shows like a rectangular box. The machine cutting can be started from anywhere, but it is normally started from front left corner for usual purpose. After loading the sheet, the state adjustment is mandatory, which is done with the help of the laser point. By moving the laser point either in the horizontal direction or in the longitudinal direction, the gap should be adjusted uniformly in the edges by adjusting the steel plates in the steel bit. Steel framing is necessary for the particular size of the steel sheet that should be properly matched with the drawing size. If it is not matched, the cuttings may be possible outside the boundary. According to the thickness of the sheet, the focus and nozzle are to be changed. This is the thickness setting in the laser cutting machine, which helps and automatically adjust the cutting speed and pressure, and it focuses the accurate cuttings in the cutting process. The gap between the laser kit and the steel sheet is normally maintained as 1 mm. There are two types of nozzles used. This type of nozzle is used for MS steel cutting, operated with the O2 gas or oxygen gas. This is another type of nozzle used for the non-metal cuttings with the help of nitrogen gas. The size of the nozzle is to be changed according to the size of the steel sheet used for. This is the lens used for the laser cutting, which is for focusing, and adjustment is done according to the thickness of the steel sheet. After all the settings, press the function and 0 keys. The laser head automatically moved to the starting position. Estimated time for the total process is shown in the monitor itself. For example, approximately the total process is complete within 40 minutes. The sheet used for the cutting process should be cleaned one. Dry cut option available in the jack shows the actual movement of the laser head without actual cutting. It ensures the correct operations. This is about the marking process. After one operation, the laser head automatically lifts its position, then it moved into another location for its another operation according to the drawings. Dust or wastage can be removed manually from the bottom side of the machine. This is the finished product from the machine as per the drawing. Smooth finishing is possible in this machine with the proper settings, arrangement and the operation. Accurate angular cutting is possible with this machine. This machine stops its cutting process if any unknown object found in the tray or any object touch it. It avoids the human injury and damage. Using this laser cutting machine, we can make small accessories which are needful for the panel assembly. Also, we can make different shapes with different metals needed for the HT panel assembly. %99 accuracy is possible with the smaller pieces, and oval shape and any irregular shape are also possible. These products are used for the breaker in HT panel assembly. I hope that This video helps the learner to get the knowledge about the functionality of the laser cutting machine, and it exposes the industrial experience. Thank you.
Welcome back to the part 2 session of Shrivan Electric. So this session is going to describe the fully automatic laser cutting machine for manufacturing the raw components of switchgear assembling.
Informed to submit the answers in the internship report for the questions posted. Thank you.